Hi community. Today we're going to be talking about mindset. So if we want to really make progress and change in our finances, we have to change the way that we think about money. Because if we think I'm always broke, I never can get a break, I can never make money, then guess what's going to happen? We're always going to be in that state. So we have to change that state, change our mindset. So I'm sitting here, and the reason why I did this because I'm on a little bit of a vacation, sorry, and you can see the lake behind me. And I've been here for several days, and if you're one of those people who think, oh, I can't go on vacation, I don't deserve vacation, I don't have time for vacation, guess what's going to be playing in your head? All of those things are actually going to become true. Now, this isn't the power of positive thinking of wish for something and it's going to happen. This is actually changing the state of our mind. We're rewiring our brain to think about the things that we can do that are possible. I'm going to share that with us throughout this entire journey. But that's the first thing that I want us to think about, is changing our mindset, changing how we view money. And then our attitude is going to change about money, and our possibilities are going to change about money. And we're really going to focus on the things that we can do to really change and make that progress. So as you think about vacation, as you think about me here on vacation, think, what do I really want to do with my life? What do I want to accomplish with my life, with my personal finances? So as you think about that, that's the first thing, is getting inside there and changing your mindset. What can you do? Change your language around your money. Change your language around the things that you can do that are possible. And you'll see that every single day, if you do that, you're gonna have some of those, oh, maybe it is possible, or maybe I can do that, or maybe I can afford that when I do X, or what is possible. And maybe that needs to be some work that you have to work on, but I guarantee you, if you change your mindset, change your language, change your thinking, you're gonna start feeling better, and then you're gonna actually start accomplishing some things. So happy vacationing, happy dreaming, happy mindset changing to you. Have a great day.